Okay. All right. It's late. Very late. Well, no. Technically, it's early. Technically, it's extremely early. Oh, you know what? There we go. Not exactly. I didn't get a chance to um, do the calibration that I wanted. Whoa, sorry about that. Whoa. Oh my God. That's really good. I didn't get a chance to do the calibration that I normally would do, going back and forth, back and forth. So instead, I'm just going to go with it on the fly. I was not going to do this video. Not so soon, not so early. Right now it is 12:27 a.m. on November 29th, which is a Sunday. Now, I literally just got off not too long ago, off work, and I knew I had a package at the house. This is my package. Instead of me sitting down and doing my usual planning for the game, I am going to put that to the side because, the guys in the game that I play, Tom Clancy's Elite Squad, those guys are starting to annoy me a little bit, which is okay because I have an unboxing to do. And this unboxing is going to be, why are they showing a dog's butt? Oh, because the other side, okay, whatever. So, there's something in this box. What's in this box is very important to me. I've debated it. I know other people already have this here. 1 million people have probably already done freaking unboxing of these things here. But you know what? This is the first time I'm buying one. And this is so important. It's important because I need a way of, oops, the airflow went into the box. I need a way to literally listen to music while I'm outside, but I can't hang with the BS of having the headphones come out and the headphone string comes out and the headphone string getting in my way because I'm usually raking, going back and forth, or I've got the blower and going back and forth, or I got the lawnmower and it would get pinched and pulled. And I'm like, this is so freaking annoying. So I'm leaving the Walkman days and I'm going to the Zune days. I'm only saying that because I just saw a snippet of Guardians of the Galaxy. I got my Karumba here and I'm going to nicely but politely score the plastic here. I'm going to score the plastic here. Ooh, that was not a score. That was pretty bad. That was pretty gruesome right there. And this is it. This is come on. I can hear my wife's alarm upstairs. There we go. Look at that. I was like, come on. So this is what everybody's been talking about. These AirPods. This is some cute packaging. Very cute packaging. Where's my little sticker? I'm supposed to get an Apple sticker somewhere. Somewhere along the line, I'm supposed to get an Apple sticker. Oh, look at this here. It's got instructions on how to use it. Stick it in your ear. So basically, I know this is the best way to do this. I was very reluctant to get this right here because I didn't want to deal with the nuisance of I was about to get ticked off. I didn't want to deal with the nuisance of the cable. I didn't want to deal. Oh, they got the cable in here for this here. I didn't want to have to deal anymore with any of that BS. I just want to have my music in there. Oh, that's pretty. And does it have any power at all? Doesn't look like it has any power. I guess you just flip this up here. And there they are. These two little, they don't just come out. You gotta pull them out. You gotta pull these out. These two little things. My God, they don't really weigh much. And I placed them in my, oh my God. You might be able to hear that over there. That's Discord. Those guys are really annoyed at this point. Okay, I can dig with this here. I can, yeah. This is nice. This is right nice. So I just need to, give me a second here. Let me take these out. I can already smell my earwax. And I'm just going to pop these guys in here. I don't know exactly how this works. I'm being completely stupid on this here, okay? I'm going to yank this out here and just throw that crap to the side. They didn't give me no freaking Apple sticker. Come on. Give me a freaking Apple sticker. Oh! Holy smoke. My computer saw it. It's already there. It said, "Hey, buddy, you want to connect?" This is nice. This is very nice. Hang on, take it back out. Get back out here. Okay, so yeah, when it opens up, it says connect. Yeah, I want to connect them. Like, yeah, with my cheesy puffs. I'm not gonna set up Hey Siri. Not now. I will consider that in the future though. Announce messages. Oh, I would like for that. Yeah, go on ahead. I got 84% of power already. Woohoo! Okay, so it's done. So bad boy here has 76%. Oh, so that's the reason it's got some weight to it. So this is a charger to give me a boost. Ooh. And this is really nice here. Right? Get the drink in. Arizona tea. With cucumber sake. So, ooh. Hey Siri, play the week. Okay, it doesn't. I didn't set up Siri's. Okay. Play the weekend. Ooh, ah. Okay, how do you turn it up? How do you turn it up? Do you like stroke it or something? Nope. Okay, so this is one of the songs of the future. It's not as loud as I wanted it to be though. There must be safety features on here somewhere. All I know is this. Oh, and it's different volumes for this and for that. Oh, I can have a screenshot there. All I know is this. All I know is this. All I know is this. I know you didn't say about me. Okay, so now I have 3 of the 4 panels open. My iPad has a charge life on there. The pencil has a charge on there. And I'm going to flip this over. Nope, that didn't do anything. And these guys have something on there. So this is really nice. All I know is this. Oh, it does get loud. All I know is this. All I know, all I know, all I know, all I know is this. I guess that's the end of this video. All I know, all I know, all I know, all I know is this. Yeah, this is absolutely freaking worth $119 for some freaking speakers. This is actually really good. Ooh, wow. Ooh, wow. Yes, this is so worth it. Doing some stuff in the yard. Okay. With one eye open. So we are at that crossroad. I've had a chance to play around with this here for a day. I got green tea today. Had a chance to play around with these AirPods. And I really like them. I like them a lot. I got a chance to go outside. It was a nice sunny day today. And use these things. And believe it or not, it was actually quite enjoyable to listen to music with being hands-free. And I mean, it was like really, really nice. I just absolutely enjoyed having these guys in my ears. Like this is the way it's gonna flow in my ear, and it actually feels really nice. I'm just super impressed by this here. There's a couple of technologies that are going on here. If you have both in your ear at the same time, and you take one out, it automatically pauses. That's kind of cool because it gives me the opportunity to like literally listen to the other person. My wife says that's a feature I can turn off. She instantly started looking this whole thing up, so I thought that was kind of cool. Another cool feature is this is a charging base, so I can plug it in to charge, like so. I actually really, 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 really like that. You know, I know you're saying, what did your wife say when she saw you with them and all the other stuff? Well, I told her the main reason for getting this is, and I'm not lying when I say this, it's a safety thing. And when I say it's a safety thing, I got a little itch on my elbow. It's killing me. The thing that is a safety issue is when I'm outside and I have a rake in my hand and I'm raking, the corded stuff just pops out of my ear. Just pops out. When I'm using the snowblower, I have to hold down thing here. So it's actually double-handed. And again, if I've got a cord, it's gonna get yanked. I've tried to listen to music while I'm out there trying to do stuff, and it's not good. It's always a pain. It always ends up with me saying I'm moving too much and I can't listen to the music or try to enjoy myself and try to enjoy the pain of doing yard work in all kinds of the year because they keep popping out. And I also have to remember what happened to me while I was at work one day. At work one day, I was slicing up fake paper money for a training that we were going to be doing because we have this fake money that we chop up. And we use a guillotine. And on one of these guillotine strokes, I chopped off the cable, the cord for my headphones. And it was a nice, clean slice. Like whoosh. And I just said to myself, that's $20 gone. So, yeah, $20 gone. Like, poof. And yeah, I know these things get a really bad rating for not being able to repair them. Their repairability is either 1 or 0. Basically, not doable at all. It's one-time use or one life to live. That's what it is. It's YOLO. So I'm gonna enjoy my YOLO. Oh, there's a button on the back. What does that do? I don't know. Wife likes it. I like it. I'm going to use it. These are mine. She wants some. Got to buy her own. That's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed as much of this stuff as I did. It's just, this is well worth it. Well, definitely well worth it. $119. That's a little painful, but $119. It is beautiful in design. That is the end of it. It doesn't stand up, does it? Yeah, for $119, you'll be able to stand up on your own, buddy.